What? Can I get a lollipop? No. No. No, no, no. But why? Because I said no. And if you ask me again, I won't buy you anything from the store. Fine, Daddy. I'm gonna be bad at school today. You better not, or you get in trouble. Now, what do you want for a snack? I want these Pokemon cards. I want the Pokemon cards. Man, you can't eat them. Why not? That's nice. I wanna eat them. Them look real good. Them look real nice. Well, I guess if you want to die, you can use those. No, I didn't pay for them yet. Well, I didn't know that. Stop being annoying, die. That's it, Jeffy. Don't make come there. Don't make come there, Rich. You being a bad boy. 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 Okay, fine. I'm walking to school now. Fine then, go. Two hours later. 9. Can you tell me why I was the only person at school today? Wait, what day is it? Today's Saturday, so I need an after-school snack. Oh, okay, follow me. I'll go get you a snack. Oh, what do we have for a snack here, darling? There's all these toys here, darling. Oh, that's not a snack, darling. Oh, I want the purple fresh fries, darling. Those are not French fries. Those are Korean. Oh, darling, I want these crabs. That's it. You're getting a whooping. Okay, I'm walking home.
Your dad's about to come get you.
Okay. I'm walking home then. I'm running.